Hello students, myself Harsh Gupta and today I am going to teach you about gravitation. So, what is gravitation? According to Newton, every object in the universe attracts every other object with a force, and the force of attraction between them is called as gravitational force, or the force which binds us towards the earth's surface is called gravitational force. And here is some example. Now, let us consider an example. Apple is falling from the tree because Earth exerts a force of attraction on the apple. But here is the question, why apple cannot attract Earth towards it? Because we know acceleration is equal to force upon mass, and the mass of the Earth is much greater than the force. Therefore, acceleration becomes negligible here. Now, coming to our next topic, universal law of gravitation. It is also known as Newton's law of gravitation. It states that every body in the universe attracts every other body with a force, and this force is directly proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of distance between them. Suppose here are two objects A and B. M1 with masses M1 and M2, and the distance between their centers are smaller. Therefore, according to the law of gravitation, F is directly proportional to the M1 into M2 and F is inversely proportional to the square of distance between them. On combining these two equations, we have F is proportional to M1 into M2 upon R square. Therefore, F is equal to G M1 into M2 upon R square, where G is called universal gravitational constant. G is universal gravitational constant, and this is so because the value of G cannot change in this universe. Now, SI unit of G. We know F is equal to G M1 M2 upon R square. Here, G is equal to F into R square upon M1 into M2. Now, putting the SI units of these quantities, we get G is equal to Newton meter square per kg square. The SI unit of G is Newton meter square per kg square. The value of G is 6.67 into 10 to the power 11 Newton meter square per kg square. And now our main question arises, if every object in the universe attracts each other, then why Earth and Moon cannot collide, or why Sun and Earth cannot collide with each other? And here's the reason why. Suppose here is a box and a person exerts a force F1 and a second person exerts a force F2 on this box but in opposite direction. But the box is still in rest. This is because F1 is equal to F2. This force is called balance force. Means the box is under a balance force. So, in case of Earth and Moon and Sun and Earth, what happens that, let's suppose a string is attached with a ball, and if we rotate that string, there will be two forces acting on the ball. First, a centripetal force in the direction of the center and a centrifugal force in the opposite direction of that centripetal force, which balance each other, and that's why this point and the ball cannot collide with each other. Same as in the condition of Earth and Moon, this point is act as Earth and this point is act as Moon. The force of gravitation acting on the Moon by Earth is act as a centripetal force, and which is balanced by a centrifugal force of the Moon. That's why Moon cannot collide with Earth and always follow a rotational path.